Good afternoon, one and all, and once again, welcome back to the channel. I very recently was at the AWS New York Summit 2025, and a lot of amazing, exciting announcements were made, including the S3 vectors. A lot of workshops that I attended were related to the MCP as well. I think AWS also announced now you can query your Glue data catalog and S3 tables with MCP Server. And in this video, I just want to show you how to do that. So yeah, we're gonna be naturally asking questions to our AI, and basically it's gonna go to our S3 tables and fetch these detail and basically show us the result. Before that, I will like to show you the post. It was on July 15, 2025. Amazon S3 table now supports Model Context Protocol MCP Server. This is the GitHub repository. Again, detailed instructions there, and this is the AWS blog post. So now in this video, I want to make it easy for you. So let's learn how to leverage MCP Server for our Amazon S3 table buckets. All right, step one, we need Claudde Desktop. I use Claudde Desktop. So if you don't have one, you can simply head to Google and just say Claudde Desktop. So if you're using a Windows, download an exe file. If you're using a Mac, make sure you download that. I have already done that, and after that now we're gonna see how to configure the S3 tables, right? So let's head over to terminal at this point. Okay, make sure after that you configure your AWS CLI. So AWS, if I do configure, you can see I have configured my access secret region, right? So if I do AWS S3, I can list all my buckets over here, as you can see. So I do have the permission for that, right? So ensure that you have the necessary permission. You have download Claudde Desktop, and now let me just show you very simple JSON config, and then we'll see how we can query our Amazon S3 table buckets. All right, so now let's see how to use that in the Claudde Desktop. So back on my terminal, you can say which UVX. This is a path. This is important, and then you need it. If you don't have UV, you can simply install by doing a pip3 install UV. Very easy, right? All right. Copy this path, okay? And now here is a JSON. So MCP server, and here you will say AWS labs.s3-tables-mcp-servers. And then here I'm using my default profile, AWS profile, my region, of course. And then make sure you put your path over here, right? So what we'll do is we'll copy this, okay? And then we'll head over to Claudde Desktop, Claudde settings, okay? And developers, you see I already have one, but I'll show you the config, okay? Edit config. Double click on this, and then simply paste your config over here. After doing that, make sure you restart your Claudde IDE. So simply close that, okay? And let's start Claudde again, okay? And then I'll go to a new chat, and I can say, hey, show me all the tables you have in S3 tables. So remember, again, this is my S3 tables. I have a bunch of namespace. Inside namespace, I have few tables, and I want to see if I can naturally ask question and say, hey, can you tell me how many tables I have, or can I just do exploration, right? So now that I have configured, I can simply ask a natural question like, hey, show me all the tables that you have in S3 tables. And I do have a typo on the word have, and let's see what it does. So it's able to identify my two S3 table buckets. This is great. It shows me the namespace, when that was created, and when was it last modified. That's actually nice. And here you can see also the tables, right? So here you can see table 1, table 2, table 3, that is events. So it's able to do that as well. So yeah, you can of course run more queries, and you can naturally ask questions. But yeah, I thought I'll just do a quick video on how you can use S3 tables with the MCP server with Claudde Desktop. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other questions, let me know. And let me know how you guys are using MCP server, Claudde, and S3 tables. With that being said, keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.